All right, we're on page 14 in our journal, and we're going to be comparing numbers. So you're going to line up the numbers so that the ones place is properly aligned. Then you're going to start comparing the digits with the greatest place value first. So you're going to go to the biggest place value position it has. That's the number on the left. And then you're going to compare the numbers. We're going to order these from least to greatest. It's always important that you follow the instructions. You can. You don't have to. It's a great way for it to stand out, though. So you want to line up your place value positions. So like millions with millions with millions. So I'm going to write this number, 1,809,967. So you want to start comparing with the largest place value. So we're going to look at the millions place or the millions period first. Then we're going to go to the thousands family, and we're going to start with the hundreds place. And then we'll go to the units place. So I'm going to write each of my numbers over here, one digit in each blank. And when I'm putting my numbers in order from least to greatest, I like to write a L on the left and a G on the right. That just kind of helps me remember to put the smallest one first and the biggest one at the end. Because sometimes you just get in the habit of writing smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest, and then you don't even think about the directions. But you've got to pay attention to those. They're going to switch it up on you sometimes, okay? So first you're going to start comparing in your millions family. Look in your millions place value position. What do you see in the millions place? We have a 1 on every one of them, don't we? So we can't tell who's bigger or who's smaller yet. So let's scoot over. We're going to go over to the right. One place value position. So now we're going to be looking at the hundred thousandths place. I see some different digits here. We've got 8s and 9. What do we know now? 9 is the biggest. So I'm not going to write it here. Where does that number need to go? It needs to go in the greatest place, doesn't it? I could go ahead and write it down now because I know it's going to be my biggest number. And then I also like to mark it off here because I know I've already used it. That way I don't try and use it again. Now we only have two numbers to compare. We already know they have the same thing in the millions place and the same thing in the hundred thousandths place. So now I'm going to look at the 10,000ths place. What do you see in the 10,000ths place? A 7 and a 0. What do we know about the number with the 0? It's the smaller one. So that means it has to be the least. So I can write it on the left as my first number in my order from least to greatest. And then I'm going to mark it off because I've already used it. And that means this number has to go where? In the middle. 1,879,599. And a lot of times they'll separate these numbers with semicolons because if you put a comma between them, then it's just going to look like one really big number. So a lot of times they'll separate them with semicolons. And I left mine spaced out so that you could definitely tell one number to the next number to the next number. Show me with your thumbs how y'all feel about that. Awesome.